The diaphragm has always been seen as villain or hero when the subject is to sing well. But despite playing a crucial or fundamental role when we are singing, not everything is fault or merit of our diaphragm. I will explain why and show you some exercise to train your diaphragm and use it correctly. Hi, my name is Ícaro and you are in the Sing Well channel. Here on this channel, you will learn how to sing with a simple language and straight to the point. First of all, we need to understand where is our diaphragm, how it works. Let's do some tests. Please, close your fist and place it in the pit of your stomach and do a cough. Do you feel some punch? This punch is your diaphragm. Now we are going to do another test. With your fingerprints, find your last rib and go to the left, to the side. Okay, now do a cough again. Do you feel this punch? This is your diaphragm. Now we are trace our rib and go until our back. Okay, now cough again. Do you feel the punch? This is your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is a big muscle that divides your body. It is placed in the middle of your body. This muscle has a shape of a shell, like this. It is responsible for the movement of our lungs. When you breathe, it goes down. Without diaphragm, there's no life, there's no way to breathe. You need to use every time, every single second, your diaphragm. Because of this, when we are singing, we are already using our our diaphragm. But the big question is, are we using our diaphragm correctly? Are we training our diaphragm enough to sing how we need to sing? Let's do some important exercises and after I will explain to you how to use correctly your diaphragm and put away some myths that people used to tell us. The first exercise is the soft S, like this. Tss. But before, we need to breathe correctly. How to do that? You will place your hand on your chest and another on your belly, like this. And don't move your shoulder and your chest, only move your belly, like this. Now we will use this movement to do this exercise. Remember, don't go to your last breath. This will create some tension that we don't need, that we don't want. Be aware of any tension in your body during the exercise. Try to be relaxed as possible during the exercise, okay? Some dizziness might occur during the exercise. If it happened, take a breath, wait for 5 seconds and come again. Remember to inhale correctly, okay? Now I will set a timer for a minute and we will do this exercise. Remember that you need to do this exercise for 5 minutes all day. How much time in my life I need to do this exercise? I will explain it after the exercise very soon in this video. So let's do the exercise, the S. Let's go. Place your hand in your chest, another hand in your belly. Let's go. Start. Take a breath. Let's do again. One more time. We have time to once. Okay, Now take a rest, take a glass of water. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. This is the only way YouTube can notify you when I post some video or a new live. Please click in subscribe and click on the bell and set all the notifications, okay? And you are invited to join on this channel. You will receive priority in your comments and early access to the new videos. Let's do the second exercise. For the second exercise, we will do the S in staccato. Staccato is a musical term that means we will make short and accented sounds, like this. This is a kind of staccato using the S sound. Just like the first exercise, we will do this for a minute. We will do 6 accented sounds, and for the 7th sound, we will hold it. Again. Okay, let's do it. I will set the timer. Are you ready? Let's go. Take a breath. It's enough. Remember to relax. Again, take a breath. One more time, take a breath. Okay, that's all. Remember to do this exercise for 5 minutes each exercise. How many times in my life I need to do this exercise? When we are thinking about training our diaphragm and our breathing, we have to realize that for the singing, we need to have a diaphragm conditioned. Our goal is to correct the wrong way to breathe and control 2 main points, airflow and airflow stability. Some people used to say that all vocal technique error is a fault of our diaphragm. Like, you are out of tune, is your diaphragm. You forget the lyrics, is your diaphragm. I'm kidding. But it's not correct. Our diaphragm can play a role very important on our voice, but it is only the basic structure of our building. We can build a beautiful building, but if our structure is damaged, all the building will fall down. This is what happens in our vocal technique when our diaphragm is not trained very well. So you need to train your diaphragm until you feel that you don't even need to think about it. You can breathe and singing freely without having these problems. We need to train until it becomes incorporated in our body, in our brain. One tip: don't go to the stage thinking about your diaphragm. When we are singing, just think about your music. If you try to think about any other details, you will have troubles, and we don't need it. Did you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Now go to this video that I place here and continue to learn and improve your voice. I see you in the next video.